Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day, evening, morning, or whatever so far while you guys are watching this. I am like really excited because today I have been embarking on going to new thrift stores that I haven't been to before, and I'm taking you guys all along with me. So this is gonna be like a little series of where I bring you guys to like all new thrift stores that I've never been to. So I really want to experience the new thrift store high when going into the store with all of you. So I'm super duper excited. I'm gonna have those videos linked down below and up right there as well if you guys are interested in checking them out. But if you guys love thrifting, love thrift hauls and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications. I have even more videos coming up, so many exciting things coming up for you guys, and I cannot wait to share them with all of you. And if you guys would like to and haven't done so already, don't forget to add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store. This is, oh, I didn't give you a background. This is Savers, and we are in La Mirada, I believe, the city of La Mirada in Southern California, and we're in front of the Savers store. Never been in here. Let's check it out. I'm really excited. Let's go. You guys, look, that mirror is so cute. It's $7.99. It's small though, but I kind of like it. Also, Halloween is here already, which is kind of exciting and like kind of crazy because Halloween is still months away, but this dragon mask is pretty cool. Gee whiz, that coral is $30. So right now I'm trying to take stock of where everything else, or everything is in the store. But I'm kind of getting stuck on all this Halloween decor. But it's pretty expensive, $12.99. It's kind of like going to Walmart, so. I just spotted some of the handbags, and they are sitting here. Hey guys, so found the handbags. First thing I have here is a Stuart Weitzman, and then this cool like Izzy Miyake looking bag where it has like different shapes. So it's kind of like interesting. Is this a Coach? That is. Okay, here's the Coach. It's $35. Not the worst, but the sides are kinda eh. I had to put it back. It looks like someone literally threw up inside the bag. Yeah, I'm not gonna subjugate you guys to that, so. Let's look at this Brighton though. $10. Is it a real Brighton? Let's see. Oh, there's the Creed. I don't know. Yeah, I think it is. This feels like a real Brighton little thing. $10. It's kind of cute. I like this style, but it's kind of like the Chanel Surf Tote. If you guys are familiar with that. Ralph Lauren. Steve Madden. Rustic Couture. This is interesting looking. Min Min. Oh my gosh, how funny. I've never seen one of those fake Miu Miu Min Min bags before. Glad I can finally say that I've seen one in real life. They actually have this super cute Kate Spade bag, but the handle is severely damaged. And there's no price tag anywhere that can be seen, so I don't know how much it is. So I'm just gonna leave this for now. I found this little evening bag. It's a J. Crew one. It's only $1.99. Not too shabby. I'm going through all these toy things with a fine tooth comb to see if I can find anything cool. Like, I'm looking for, oh, these are all like McDonald's toys. Cars, or Thomas the Trains, stuff like that. Stuff that's normally pretty expensive if you just buy it on its own. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? They're like frozen. Still going through all the cars. 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 Still going through all the c one looks promising. Check it out. These are amazing. Oh, these are the electronic ones too. It's even more expensive. I hit the jackpot. Oh no, this is just like a one Thomas's Train one. Those other ones are kind of random. Okay, so I'm gonna get that one. See if we can find anything else. This one doesn't fill up the little bags as much as the other savers that I visited do. They usually put a little or a couple more cards inside, but that's cool. See what else? Some Pokeballs. Okay, I'm gonna go through these and see if I can find anything else. I'll be right back with you guys. Side note, I'm wearing my thrifted driving shoes. They are amazing. I just found a bag full of like Transformer car things, which I think are pretty cool. So I think I might get these. Looking through the toys. Got this big thing of like Legos, $7.99. These wood blocks. This wood train set is kind of cute, but I think it's missing a lot of pieces. I think it's from Target. I wonder how much it is. Alright, it's $12.99. Copper, not too bad. We'll think about it. See what else they have. They have a lot of pretty good furniture. These pieces are all pretty interesting. It's the Fisher Price wagon. This is, remember the wagon that I got for the kids? It's like almost the same one, but I think that's the Fisher Price. The one I got was Radio Flyer. Let's check out what else is here though. This thing is pretty interesting. Oh no. Stop it. Why are you doing this to me? Do you guys see this side table or coffee table or whatever this is? Oh my god. How mad is my mom gonna be if I bring this thing home? I'm completely dead over this thing. This clock is pretty nice. This mirror is kind of cool too, but it's really, really dirty. I'm still thinking about that bear side table, coffee table thing that I'm going to be looking up to see what it's all about. But right now I'm looking through the rest of the furniture, seeing if there's anything cool. There's so much cool stuff in here. You guys, I found the table. I think I'm gonna get it. It's so stinking cute. I mean, yeah, I think I need to get it. Look at this thing. It used to be $100. Crikey. It is pretty cool though. Like, this would be awesome on like a console table. It's huge. I love it. You guys, we did it. He's so cute. Okay, now that we got this baby inside the cart, he's so cool. I also have a coupon, so he's not going to be $40. He's actually going to be less than $40, which is amazing. I think he's going to be about $28, so he's going to be under $30. So I am very excited, and I really like this leopard plate for some reason, and I wish they had bigger ones. So right now we're looking for Anthropology, Williams-Sonoma, Pottery Barn, those kind of plates. Let's see what we can find. Oh, you know what? I actually did see already some Anthropology mugs. They are down here, 2 of them. So very excited. Actually, let me show you. But these are the ones, I find these all the time. They're so awesome. I love them. Now, if I can only find the ones with the cute animals, I'm about to go buy them. They're on sale right now at the store. I think they're only $5 a mug, which is not horrible, especially because they're super cute. They have animals with the letters. Oh my gosh, the blue and white Bombay piece is gorgeous. It is missing the top though, so I'm gonna have to decline, but it is really nice. It goes with all my other blue and white Bombay stuff that I've collected so far. Let's see if we can find anything else though. So I do love Bombay, especially the blue and white stuff. This is so cute with a tomato. Oh, let's have a... Stop! This is so cute! Vietri Incorporated. Oh my gosh, it's only $4.99. How cute is this? Is there any damage to it? I can't tell, it's pretty dirty though. But this is so cute. Okay, looking through these mugs right here. Ooh, Born to Sparkle? Yes. Mod Baroop? How fun is that though? I like that mug. This one's fun too. It says hot stuff. Yes. California pottery. Look at, I also found a bag of Shopkins. I'm gonna give it to my neighbor. I like to buy her toys too, along with the kids, because she's always over at the house too. So I want her to have some toys that she likes as well. Though she does love cars too. So, and the kids also like Shopkins. I mean, they all just love to play with everything. So it's always fun to have a good variety of toys for them to play with at the house. And if you can thrift them, why not? Kids just outgrow these things so quickly. And why not just, recycle, reuse, and save. That's what I always say. You guys, I just found a rain stick. I almost want to get it for the kids, but it might be like annoying. I used to want one of these so bad though. When I was younger, they used to have a store called the Discovery Store. Rain stick. Oh, you guys, check this out. I have no clue what they are, but you know when they show you like pictures of what viruses look like in those like commercials where you're sick or in textbooks? This is kind of like what they look like. There's two of them. Maybe it's pollen. Alright, let's see if there's anything cool in the vases. This is actually kind of pretty. Oh, there's a blue and white number right here. It doesn't have the depth of the blue that I normally like. It's a little light. This is interesting. This is really pretty. Does anyone know what this is? Look at that. I love it. I'm gonna see if I can find out what it is, but let's see what else we have here. This is so cute. It looks like a cat's bum. How cute is that? $5.99. That is another cool one. I just want to like sometimes I want to just like gather a bunch of stuff and put it together, and these are like Hadrian's picks for the store, and see if anyone notices. That would be so much fun. You guys, this is really pretty. $7.99 though. I like it. It's like fish scales, right? Guys, they have a Frenchie from Greece here for $24.99. There's some expensive anime thing right there for $130. Some ancient books that I kind of want to look at, to be honest. And we have this, I think this is Legolas, right? Lord of the Rings, yes. There's also this nice silver set. I wish this Lamarth bag wasn't so expensive. It's really, really cute. And I, of course, you guys know, I love the unicorn. Alright, you guys, I just got everything inside the car. I went crazy in that store. They had such amazing stuff. My only, like, kind of little sadness is that I didn't get the Lamarth bag. It was $70, and I was like, but it was gorgeous, but it's okay. It's okay. It was $70, and even with the discount, it would have been it would have still been like $49, and then after tax would have been like over $50, and that would have been like a thing. So I left it, even though maybe I might get it next time if I ever see it again and it's still there. Ooh, what if it goes half off? That would be amazing. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast. Oh my gosh, I love going to new thrift stores with you guys. It's like my new favorite thing. And I cannot wait till our next adventure. So if you guys enjoyed this video and want more, don't forget to subscribe, and also so that you can see the haul videos, so you can see everything that I did end up getting, because I got some pretty awesome stuff. And let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently as well, because I love hearing about all your finds as well. And maybe you'll be featured in one of the vlogs as one of my favorite thrift finds of the day. And also tag me too on Instagram, because I love seeing all your stuff as well, and I'll put you up in my Insta stories too. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to check out the vlog at 2. I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Alright guys, so I'm standing in front of like all the rides. It's super cool. And then over here is the water and another little pier off of this pier.